This is how to transfer files between your Android phone and Mac using a USB cable. So let's get started. The first step is to install Open MTP. So this is a free and open source software that helps to do this. So just come to your browser and here search for Open MTP. And as I mentioned before, this is open source, so all your data is safe. Then here just install it. So select download for Apple Silicon or for Intel Silicon. Then here select one of these options to download for Apple or Intel. And once it's downloaded, just open it. You'll have to give access, so click on allow. And this is how it will look. It may look a bit complicated, but it's really simple. So on the left is our Mac, and on the right is our Android phone that we'll now connect. So the next step is to connect our Android phone to our Mac with a cable. Now I've done that. Then you have to ensure your Android phone is unlocked and you have to set it to file transfer. So swipe down to see the notifications and you'll see this option, USB. So click on it again. And here, ensure it's set to file transfer. So it may look different based on your Android phone. And once this is done, we're all set to go. So I've come back to my Mac and here on the right side, I'll just refresh it. So on my phone, they've asked for permission. I'll just click on allow. I'll refresh again. And as you can see, all our data of our phone has come here. So now it's really simple. You just have to go to the files that you want to transfer. So let's say I want to transfer something from downloads. I'll click on it. Then here I can see all of my downloads data. And let's say I want to transfer this PDF. Then on the left, I have to select the location where I want to transfer it. So if I want it on my desktop, I'll just select desktop, give access by clicking allow, and now I can drag it. And as you can see, it's come here. It's as simple as that. And if you want to transfer multiple files, just select command and select whichever files you want and drag them to the left. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.